One of the questions that we get asked a lot is, why is there the funny flicker or scrolling lines on televisions in the background when you're shooting video? It's because the screen refresh rate and the camera's refresh rate don't match. So here we're running at 30 frames per second on the camera. The television should be presenting at about 600 hertz, and you can see a small amount of darkness that scrolls slowly up, and I'll see if it's right about there. See it? Okay, so now we're going to jump from 30 frames per second of capture rate, and it will still show on YouTube as 30 no matter what we switch to, but this is now 40 frames per second, and you can see that the bars got a little wider. So we're going to jump up to 50, and you can see that they're scrolling faster, and we've kind of gone from light with dark bars to larger dark bars. At 60, there's more vertical blanking intervals showing. At 80, it gets pretty annoying because we can now see the vertical blanking intervals on the television. And this is at 100 frames per second, and you can see the even more vertical blanking intervals going by. 125, 160, and now you can start to see some of the variance in colors in the vertical blanking intervals. 200, 250, 320, and now you can really see some vertical blanking intervals. 400, 500, 640, 800, 1000, 1250. The screen should be about half on, half off, because we ought to actually be shooting so fast that you can't even see the television. 1600, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000. The screen is now more off than it's on, and that's as fast as I can go with this camera. I've got a different camera that'll go up to 6000, but at 4000 samples per second, you can now see that the screen is more off than it is on.